Okay, here's the ugly truth. Almost 70% of online shoppers abandon their cart before the purchase. One of the biggest reasons for abandonment is a confusing or a complicated checkout process. Well, today I will teach you how you can turn this around by customizing your WooCommerce checkout page for a smooth shopping experience. Let's get to it. Essentially, your customers are busy and they want to complete transactions as fast as possible. If you remove unnecessary steps from your checkout page and make it easy to follow through, you will deliver a better shopping experience and ultimately convert more leads. Before we start playing with the customization though, let's create a safe place to experiment. This is called a staging environment. Basically, a copy of your website where you can make changes without fear of messing up. So, if you're a hosting or user, simply access your hPanel account and find the website section at the top menu. Then, select Dashboard next to your domain name. On the left sidebar, go to WordPress and then Staging. Finally, click this button to set up your staging site, which should only take up to 15 minutes. Once that is done, select Manage Staging and click Staging Admin Panel to customize your staging site. Now, from the WordPress dashboard, install FunnelKit Builder. This is the plugin we'll be using to create a custom checkout page. Once the activation is done, head to the FunnelKit menu just above Appearance. Then, click here to start your onboarding setup. Now, you'll be asked to install plugins for payment processing and email follow-ups. You could skip these if you want, but I highly recommend activating them for a better checkout journey. After all that, enter your email address over here and click Setup Checkout to finish the onboarding setup. Since you're using FunnelKit for the first time, select this option to create your new checkout page. You can create a sales funnel from scratch, but it will take a lot of time. To speed up the process, we'll be using a pre-made checkout page template instead. Simply filter the templates based on the page builder you prefer, and in this tutorial, I will use a block editor template. Once you've found an appealing design, click Preview to see it in more detail. As you can see, free users only have the one-step checkout process. But that's not necessarily a bad thing though. The fewer steps users have to take, the closer they are to buying. If you want to use this template, click Import this funnel and enter the funnel name. Keep in mind that you might have to install an additional plugin for some templates. And that's it, your new custom sales page is ready to go. Now, to adjust its look, click Preview inside the checkout box. Since I'm using a Gutenberg-based template, the block editor will appear. So go ahead and select Edit Checkout at the top menu bar. After that, you can make changes like you would on any other WordPress page. Select any element like text, icon, checkout button, or block container to customize its content and visuals. For example, you can upload your own logo by clicking on the logo placeholder and selecting Replace. If you want to build trust with your visitors, you could also add some customer testimonials. To do that, just navigate to the plus icon at the top left, search for a testimonials block, and drag it anywhere on the block editor. Simple as that. Now, to customize the shipping form, first select the checkout form block and navigate to the right sidebar. Then, under General, open the Customer Information drop-down menu. From here, you can adjust the size of each field box. There are 4 size options available: full, 1/2, 1/3, and 2/3. Click Update or Publish to save any changes, and let's customize the content itself now. Go back to the FunnelKit dashboard and click Back to Checkout page. You'll see a bunch of options here. Select the Design tab and scroll down to the Checkout Form fields. Now, to edit a field, click it once. Add an example over here in the placeholder section so that users know which information is needed, making the checkout process that much faster. You can also rearrange field positions or delete a field entirely by clicking the X icon. Want to add new fields? Simply drag one from the Fields menu to the section you want. Plus, you can even add a coupon code field without a pro registration. This allows you to offer discounts, giving much more incentive to your leads. And once you're done with everything, don't forget to click the Save button so you don't lose out on any progress you've made. Now, let's customize the coupon field even further. To make sure the field is displayed properly, open the block editor once again. Then, select the checkout form block and enable Collapsible Order Summary on the right sidebar. Now, scroll down a bit and make sure the Enable Coupon Code is activated. It's also possible to hide the coupon code field by enabling the collapsible coupon field feature. This way, the field will only appear when customers click here. To finish up, save your changes and click Back to Checkout page to add the products. Okay, let's move on to the products tab where you will find two ways to actually add products to your checkout page. The first one is to add an existing product from your WooCommerce store. What we're interested in is the second option though, which lets us create a product from scratch. It might sound hard, but it's actually super easy with the help of our AI content creator. All you have to do is enter your product name and describe your product in this section. Now, select the length and tone, click Generate Description, and your product description will be ready in no time. As an alternative, you can add your products through the WordPress admin panel. For that, simply go to Products, Add New, and then go through the same steps. Whichever process you choose, don't forget to upload the product image by clicking the Set Product Image from the right sidebar. High quality photos make your products a lot more appealing to customers, so make sure you get that right. Now, scroll all the way down to the product data section to manage other settings such as the product type, availability, and shipping details. And make sure to fill the product price as well, otherwise the Add to Cart button won't show up. Once everything looks good, publish your product and head back to the FunnelKit checkout section. Here, click Add Product, search for the product you've added before, and select Add. Now, if you have one, set the discount, update the stock quantity, and save your changes. And that's it. Customers can now add products to your cart, but we're not done yet. Let's add some payment options for our visitors to select on the checkout page. Did you know that actually over 9% of online shoppers abandoned their carts just because their wanted payment method wasn't available? So while WooCommerce does support basic payment methods like cash on delivery and bank transfers, customers expect more. Lucky for you, plugins like Stripe allow you to integrate major credit and debit card providers. Those include the likes of Visa, MasterCard, and American Express, not to mention digital wallets like Google Pay and Apple Pay. You can also connect PayPal to your store, but you will need to install a separate plugin for that. To set up Stripe, install and activate the plugin, then navigate to the WooCommerce settings. Then open the Payments tab, enable Stripe, and connect your account by following the provided steps. Once you're happy with your new checkout page, it's time to launch it. To do so, go back to the store checkout dashboard and click this green button over here. And that is it. Your checkout page is now live. To make sure everything works though, consider doing a test run on your site. Add a product to your cart, go through the checkout process, and fill in your billing details. Remember, you should try this out on a few different devices though, like your phone and computer. That way you can see how it looks and works on all screen sizes. If you completed all of these steps successfully, you should be good to go. Alright, there you have it. Your WooCommerce checkout page has officially been upgraded. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer them. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and subscribe to Hostinger Academy's YouTube channel for more awesome WooCommerce tutorials just like this one. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.